Hello friends, today we have got uh, one institution's vacancy which is situated in Erode, Tamil Nadu. So that is Banariamman Institute of Technology. They have huge vacancies in the different departments. We will see what are the departments they have, what are kinds of vacancies they have. So we will go directly their website bitsadi.ac.in/careers. So go to directly this web page. In that they have given recruitment of faculty members, librarian, language trainers, yoga trainer, physical education, counselor, psychology, engineering trainee, and technical officer. So these are the vacancies they have. So they have vacancies at the level of professor, associate professor, assistant professor, and librarian. The departments they have listed is aeronautical engineering, agricultural engineering, artificial intelligence and data science, automobile engineering, biotechnology, biomedical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, computer science and business systems, computer technology, information technology, information science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, food technology, fashion technology, mechanical engineering, mechatronics, textile technology, School of Management Studies, that is MBA, English, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and library. So they have almost every departments. In all these departments they have huge vacancies. So what the qualification they required is as per AICTE norms. So apart from this they have some other openings also. They required a French trainer, Japanese trainer, German trainer, Chinese trainer, yoga trainer, physical education and counselor psychology. Again they required engineering trainee, technical officer. So these are the opportunities they have mentioned in Banariamman Institute of Technology. So what we have to do is we have to go to the official website of this institute, that is bitsadi.ac.in/careers. There if you are applying for faculty position, they have given a link here. So the procedure what they mention is download CV form, that is official link they have given here. Then you have to fill the CV form, then apply to the relevant post using any of the below Google form link and upload CV. So they have given for every vacancies, every categories of vacancies they have given the link there. So directly go to the link and click, you can apply for this post, respective post. Okay, so they have given some benefits mentioned here. AICTE 6th pay scales along with dearness allowances and provident fund. Second one, higher starting pay for deserving candidates. Third one, recognized center for PhD work in all the disciplines. Fourth one, financial support for paper presentations in India and abroad. Again, a 2.5% incentive for funded research projects from the management. Again, up to 70% share in consultancy revenue, rent-free fully furnished accommodation, medical facility, and finally CBSE and matriculation higher secondary schools run by management for the children of faculty members. So these are the benefits they mentioned along with the vacancy notification. So kindly go to